Hello world, welcome to my video. I was inspired to do this video from a rookie mistake that I had made as a programmer. I was so engrossed in building up the logic to a program that I was working on that I absent-mindedly forgot to set an entry point to the program so nothing was executing when I tried to run it. When I realized my mistake, I was reminded of a Bible teaching that parallels in comparison. As a Christian, I can profess the greatness of having faith in Jesus. But if I have nothing to show for it in my choices and action in life, how different am I to a well-built program that cannot run? So I'm doing this video with these two topics in mind. Before we begin, if you are new to my video, I would like to mention that this is the Visual Studio 2022 Integrated Development Environment where I will write and build my example console program for this video with C# 10. For starters, I have this Bible verse from James chapter 2 verse 14 to 26 in view that would serve as the anchor for today's Bible study. The entire verse is quite long, so I'm going to pick out the main points and read it to you. What good is it if someone claims to have faith but has no deeds? Can such faith save them? Faith by itself, if it is not accompanied by action, is dead. You see that a person is considered righteous by what they do and not by faith alone. As the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without deeds is dead. From this Bible teaching, we are taught that faith without deeds is pointless. If I can explain this teaching in colloquial terms, it would be equivalent to saying go walk your talk. But I would want to highlight that it is not to say that we can work for our salvation. Salvation is a gift given freely through Jesus that we are to work out. It is important we are clear on this distinction, but this is another teaching that I will leave for another video another time. Alright, so with this teaching from the chapter of James, we will explore the concept of setting an entry point to a program today. Okay, so first things first, I will build up what I want to demonstrate in this program. To keep things simple, I will program a printout of a message to the console screen. And you know what? Since we're talking about faith, what better words to use than from the song When You Believe from the Prince of Egypt? Now that I'm done setting up, I will show you what happens when you try to build the program without first setting an entry point to execute your program. As you can see, I got an error message when I tried to do so. To rectify this problem, what I have to do is create an instance of the class and call its method at the start of the program. This is a new feature with C# 10 that we call top level statement, which replaces a static main function for entry point execution. Alright, so now I will try to build the program again, and you can see that this time the build is successful. And when I try to run the program, you can see the lyrics being printed to the console screen in view. To summarize this video, setting an entry point in an executable program is essential. Drawing parallel to this spiritually, so is carrying out deeds in faith essential in a Christian life. I hope I have demonstrated this message well in today's video. With that, we have come to the end of the segment. I hope you have learned something new from this video, be it programming or the Bible. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again next time. God bless.